Hi, Dennis here again from Global BuildTech Australia. This is video 10 in our short video series on our kit systems and the use of cross-laminated timber as part of our kit systems. Last time we spoke about the effect of CLT and the way it came up that it was installed very quickly. Now, a little bit about that. Obviously all of the timber, because we wanted to be sustainable and low carbon, so all of our timber that's used in the CLT and the other timbers that we use throughout our build, including merbau for the decking and pine for our battening out, was all PFC, forest certified timber, to make sure that it was managed correctly. Just wanted you to be aware of that. Now, we did use surefoot footings in this case. There are other alternatives out there as well, but they were steel post footings. We used not very much concrete at all in this build. Only in the last section when we had to do a ramp for mobility, we did a concrete pad for that. Obviously there are other occasions when you would have to use more concrete and other materials, but we'll talk about that in future videos. But really the whole objective of this video is just to talk about the trades. Because after we had the shell up, of course we had to have the trades come in to do the electrical works, plumbing works, plastering works, painting works, floor laying, and all the carpentry as well. So that is where the fun began, and here was I, the captain, trying to steer the ship of all these trades. In my mind, what I had was a lovely choreographed dance where tradespeople would just come in and they would do this and they were working together. And let me just tell you, it wasn't as choreographed as I planned, but overall it went fairly well and the job got done. But we'll talk about some of the more detail of those things in future videos. But really it was there's a lot of lessons learned. But as I said, we still built the place, we still built the house, 75 square metres plus a 20 metre deck in 10 weeks. Even with all the challenges, it was up in 10 weeks. And that is an amazing feat for any type of build in Australia compared to traditional stick builds, which normally take 6 to 8 months. So we're very proud of that, but we'll talk about some of the other lessons we learned to bring that timeline even further in the next video. Thanks.